Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off tiling keyboard vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the tiling keyboard. This is tiling keyboard. Suppose if you type some numbers here, you will experience tiling keyboard vibration. While when you press each number, there will be one small vibration you will experience. Okay, if you would like to turn off this touch keyboard vibration, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system vibration, and here select tiling keyboard. Just turn off this button, so that now hereafter tiling keyboard vibration will not occur when you type from the tiling keyboard. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off tiling keyboard vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.